There is evidence to suggest that zebras' stripes may indeed make it difficult for flies to land on them. Several studies have been conducted on this topic, and while there is still ongoing research, some findings support the idea that zebra stripes serve as a deterrent for flies. One prominent theory is that the stripes create an optical illusion or visual disruption for insects, particularly for tabanid flies, which are known to bother zebras. The contrasting black and white stripes may confuse or disorient the flies, making it harder for them to accurately land on the zebra's body. In 2012, a study published in the journal Nature used horse models with different coat patterns, including solid colors, black and white stripes, and white stripes on a black background. The researchers found that the striped patterns attracted fewer horseflies, a type of tabanid fly, compared to the solid or reversed patterns. This provided support for the theory that stripes may indeed play a role in deterring flies. However, it's important to note that not all studies have produced consistent results, and the exact mechanisms behind the deterrent effect of zebra stripes are still not fully understood. Other factors, such as body heat distribution or behavior, could also contribute to the reduced fly landing observed in zebras. Further research is needed to conclusively determine the extent to which zebras' stripes deter flies and to explore the underlying mechanisms involved.